If you wish to log out or switch your accounts on the Instagram Edits application, then it is quite easy to do so. First of all, open up the Instagram Edits application on your smartphone, and since you have already been logged in, you will directly be taken into your projects page. You can start working on your projects if you wish, but if you want to switch your account or log out, tap on your account icon at the top right corner. Now, from the account icon page, you will see the Logout button at the very end. You can tap on this, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out. Tap on the red Logout button to confirm, and this will log you out from your account right away. Now, anytime you wish, you can log back in using your Instagram account, and if you wish to switch your accounts, tap on the Switch Account button at the bottom section. Then tap on Login with another Instagram account, and now you will be allowed to manually enter your Instagram account details to log in to a different account. So just type in your username, your email address or your phone number, followed by your password. Then tap on the Login button, and now you will be logged into your Instagram Edits account once again. You will also find all of your previous projects safe and sound within the projects page. So there you have it. That is how you can log out from your account or switch your accounts on the Instagram Edits app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.